Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we are going to learn how to download and install WestJet app. We will also put links in the description below for various travel deals. To start, open the App Store. On the search bar, type in and search for WestJet. The WestJet app logo looks like this. To download, tap on the Get button. After downloading, tap on Open. Once the app is open, you will see some information about WestJet. Slide left to continue reading. If you don't have an account yet, tap on Join Now. Otherwise, tap on Sign In. Since we already have an account, we're now going to sign in with email or WestJet Rewards ID and password. That's how you download and install WestJet app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day.